Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to your favorite channel PhDians. In this episode number 3, a lecture series One Journal 1 Minute. Today I have come up with yet another journal for you which is absolutely free to be published, and this journal is from Elsevier indexed in Scopus. Before moving on to the journal, let me remind you to hit the subscribe button and bell notification so that you should not miss the future episodes of One Journal 1 Minute with free publications from Elsevier. So let us jump on to the video straight away. This journal is Journal of King South University Engineering Sciences. Here you can see the aims and scope of the journal. It publishes the articles related to engineering aspects such as civil engineering, electrical engineering, industrial engineering, mechanical engineering, petroleum engineering, nanotechnology, renewable energy, bioengineering, and novel engineering application. If we see the journal abstracting, you can see that this journal is indexed in Scopus and other reputed databases. Let us check the publication article processing fees. This journal is peer-reviewed, subsidized open access journal where King Saud University pays the article open access fee. Authors do not have to pay any open access publication fee. It's a peer-reviewed journal and this journal is free of cost. Before submitting, please check all the author's guidelines and aims and scope of these journals. If your article falls under the aims and scope of this journal, then please try to submit and explore this opportunity of free publication from Elsevier. See you in my next video. Until then, I wish you very good luck.